Welcome to Mastering Binary Option Trading, a comprehensive guide. Binary option trading is a popular financial instrument that allows traders to profit from the price fluctuations in various markets. Are you ready to learn the essentials of binary option trading? Let's get started. First, let's understand the basics. A binary option is a straightforward financial product with only two possible outcomes. You either win a fixed amount of money or lose your initial investment. It's called a binary option because there are only two possible outcomes. To start trading binary options, you'll need to choose a reliable broker. Look for a reputable platform that offers a variety of assets and has a user-friendly interface. Once you've chosen your broker, you'll need to develop a trading strategy. A trading strategy is your roadmap to success in the binary option market. It involves analyzing charts, using technical indicators, and understanding market trends. Risk management is crucial when trading binary options. Never invest more than you can afford to lose and set a limit on your losses. Money management strategies, like the martingale or Fibonacci, can also help you minimize risk and maximize profits. Remember, trading binary options involves risks. Be prepared to experience losses and avoid emotional decision-making. Stick to your trading plan and analyze the market objectively. Stay updated with the latest news and events that may impact the markets. Economic indicators and geopolitical news can significantly influence binary option prices. With practice and dedication, anyone can become a successful binary option trader. Develop your skills, stay disciplined, and stay informed. In conclusion, mastering binary option trading requires knowledge, discipline, and risk management. By choosing the right broker, developing a strategy, and staying informed, you can increase your chances of success in this exciting financial market. Thank you for watching our video. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on binary option trading. Happy trading!